Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma inaugurated the mobile ex-servicemen contributory health scheme Polyclinic, commencing its journey from Shillong to Tura on the 17th of November 2023. Sangma conveyed his appreciation to the Armed Forces and Ex-servicemen, expressing gratitude for their dedication to the nation. During his speech, Conrad Sangma highlighted the significance of the mobile polyclinic, describing it as a meaningful gesture to provide medical care to ex-servicemen. He pledged ongoing support from the Meghalaya state government, announcing a financial contribution of Rs 5 lakhs from the Chief Minister's special grant for this initiative.
Give the medicines for the monthly requirements and give reference to the ambulance hospitals anywhere in India.
What is it's got an ECG machine, it's got beauty, it's got all the basic medicines, sir. And you see the router. So even from Tura or any other place, any patient has to be referred to a hospital in Guwahati, the doctor can do it directly to the employer.
Thanksgiving to our armed forces for the contribution and the sacrifice that they make to protect each and every citizen of our country. And therefore, this is a very small step, but nonetheless a strong and a powerful message that we as a society and as a government and as a Chief Minister, we are there to always support you and be with you in every way that's possible. Meghalaya and Shillong specifically has always been a location where we have had a strong presence of the armed forces, and during the course of this years and the presence of the armed forces, we have faced challenges because of different kind of confusions and conflicts that were there in some ways. And but in the last many years, I have seen and noticed that we have seen a lot of collaboration now taking place between the civilians and the armed forces, and that's a very healthy trend. And this may be a very good occasion for me to stress on this aspect once again, that as we move along through proper discussion, through proper activities where we work with the civilians and with the society at large and the armed forces together, we'll be able to really build up a very good environment and a good communication among the communities out here. And that, I think, has been happening, and that is happening, of course, because of the leadership within the armed forces that we have. And I must take this opportunity to thank all our the leaders, the Air Marshal, the Lieutenant General, and others who have been very proactive in this area and have ensured that we are able to create the right environment. At the end of the day, it is the country and it is our society and all of us that is right in front. The country is right in front and at the top of our agenda, and therefore we all, as members of the armed forces as well as the society, must work together to keep that agenda at the top of our agendas for all of us.